The Kospet Tank M3 Ultra is an advanced version of the Tank M3, adding GPS functionality to its robust features. It retains the same 1.96-inch AMOLED touchscreen as the M3, with a resolution of 410 by 502 pixels and a 9 HMOS hardness rating. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, ensuring durability against scratches. The Tank M3 Ultra is built with the same TC4 titanium unibody and meets IP69K and MIL, STD, 810H standards. It is waterproof up to 50 meters, 5 ATM, and certified to withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to +70 degrees Celsius. It also features protection against scratches and drops. Running on the Action's ATS3085L chipset, the Tank M3 Ultra includes 256 MB of RAM and 256 MB of internal storage. It supports Bluetooth 5.3 for connectivity and Bluetooth calling and is compatible with Android 5.1 Plus and iOS 10 Plus. As stated above, a key addition to the M3 Ultra is the built-in GPS, providing enhanced navigation capabilities not available in the standard M3. The battery capacity remains at 480 mAh, consistent with the M3, and the device weighs 75.4 grams. The Kospet Tank M3 Ultra also features Hi-Fi Bluetooth calling, a waterproof noise reduction microphone, AI voice input, and it is available in black and silver colors.